behind it is a house, have two storage. Downstairs is the living room, kitchen, hangout area. Upstairs is the bedroom. If I zoom out, this is huge luxury tree and garden. This morning it has been howling monkey family visiting. Very lucky that I saw them jumping around the trees. And here I would like to show you that watercolor piece I am going to do with this casa. This is what I have done so far. The house, the tree, and you can see the monkeys jumping around. And this is the pen I'm using. And the next, I'm going to show you how to color this in watercolor.